Pew, pew.
Welcome to another episode of the J Situation. This is the first video in a series describing all the components used to build the rifle shown on your screen. This rifle weighs 7 pounds and is chambered in .308 Winchester. It is based on the DPMS pattern AR-308 platform. That is, it's built on a large frame receiver, not a small frame AR-15 receiver. It possesses a 16-inch barrel with mid-length adjustable gas system and a lightweight bolt carrier group, making it ideal for carrying in the field and firing quick follow-up shots, two traits that are very desirable for hog hunting, defense, or sporting use. This first video simply shows all of the components prior to assembly and counts them off one by one from heaviest to lightest. I hope you enjoy this first video in the series. Stay tuned for the next videos in which I will review each part individually. Please subscribe to the channel to be notified when I post the next video. So here's all the parts of the rifle. It's a complete rifle. It's just in the exploded view. So all the parts from heaviest to lightest. You got your barrel, 28.5 ounces. Upper receiver, 16.4 ounces. Lower receiver, 12.3 ounces. Lightweight titanium bolt carrier group, 12 ounces. Handguard, 9.6 ounces. Stock, 6.0 ounces. Buffer, 3.9 ounces. Receiver extension, 3.7 ounces. Grip, 2.9 ounces. Flash hider, 2.7 ounces. Lower parts kit, 2.7 ounces. Fire control group, 2.6 ounces. Gas block, 1.7 ounces. Barrel nut, 1.5 ounces. Charging handle, 1.5 ounces. Buffer spring, 1.4 ounces. End plate, 0.8 ounces. Gas tube, 0.7 ounces. Castle nut, 0.6 ounces. Handguard screws, 0.3 ounces. Grip screw, 0.3 ounces. The total weight of the weapon is 112.1 ounces, or 7.0 pounds.
Pew, pew.